If you want to download free wallpapers on the Samsung Galaxy A27, you can, for example, open Settings on your phone. Then we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and you can go to Themes. Now, this allows you to open the Galaxy Themes app. But inside the Themes app, instead of using Themes, we can just go to Wallpapers, since we are looking just for them. Now, over here, we should be able to use any of these categories that we have at the top. We can also go for most popular options. And here on the left side, we have the all text, which we can actually switch to free so that you can only see free content. And then you can just try to find your favorite wallpaper, whichever you want to use. So let's say I want to use this wallpaper over here. All I have to do now is tap on the download button. And then once it is downloaded, I should be able to apply the wallpaper pretty easily. I can also choose if I want to set it on the lock screen or home screen or both. I'm just going to use both. You can still make some adjustments. You can zoom in and zoom out, for example. You can move it around a little bit and so on and so forth. So once you set everything up, then you can tap on a done in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.